Betelgeuse, the massive red supergiant star, has captivated astronomers for generations due to its immense size and erratic behavior. If positioned where our Sun is, this stellar titan could extend all the way to Jupiter's orbit, engulfing multiple planets. Known for its unpredictable brightness fluctuations, Betelgeuse is one of the most luminous and fascinating stars in the night sky. Its potential to explode into a supernova has sparked widespread speculation. In late 2019 and early 2020, Betelgeuse dimmed significantly, more than it had in over a century. Its brightness dropped to levels comparable to Bellatrix, Orion's third brightest star, earning the event the nickname the Great Dimming. However, Betelgeuse soon regained its brilliance, becoming even brighter than before. This unusual behavior has reignited theories about its impending supernova, raising questions. Could it explode within our lifetime? What would such an event mean for Earth? Let's explore the possible explosion of Betelgeuse and its implications, guided by insights from physicist Brian Cox. Cox emphasizes the fragile uniqueness of life on Earth, suggesting that the destruction of our civilization would have profound consequences for the galaxy. He connects this to the delicate balance that allows stars, including our Sun, to sustain life. The life cycle of stars and the Sun's future. Stars like our Sun shine steadily for billions of years by fusing hydrogen into helium. However, this process is finite. Once their hydrogen supply runs out, stars undergo dramatic transformations. In roughly 5 billion years, the Sun will expand into a red giant, engulfing nearby planets and rendering Earth uninhabitable. Cox warns that even sooner, within a billion years, rising temperatures could make life on Earth unsustainable. Ultimately, the Sun will collapse into a white dwarf, a dim remnant of its former glory. Betelgeuse, in contrast, is a red supergiant with a much shorter lifespan. Unlike the Sun's steady progression, Betelgeuse's rapid fuel consumption makes its death imminent on a cosmic timescale. Though it is younger than the Sun, less than 10 million years old, it is nearing the end of its life, poised for a dramatic supernova. The spectacle of a supernova. When a supergiant star like Betelgeuse exhausts its fuel, its core collapses under gravity, triggering a massive explosion. This supernova could briefly outshine entire galaxies, becoming visible even during the day. While rare in modern times, historical records describe such events, and astronomers eagerly anticipate observing one up close. Betelgeuse, located approximately 400 to 600 light-years away in the Orion constellation, offers an unprecedented opportunity for study. If it were to go supernova, it would not pose a direct threat to Earth but could illuminate our understanding of stellar death and rebirth. Betelgeuse's place in cosmic history. Betelgeuse has long intrigued stargazers due to its prominence and variability. As one of the largest stars visible to the naked eye, it serves as a celestial landmark. Despite its massive size, capable of swallowing Earth, Mercury, Venus, Mars, and possibly Jupiter, it is surprisingly young. This youth, however, belies its impending demise, as supergiants like Betelgeuse burn through their fuel much faster than smaller stars. Astronomers predict that Betelgeuse's final act will come within the next 100,000 years, a blink of an eye in cosmic terms but far longer than a human lifetime. While it may not explode tomorrow, its inevitable supernova remains a powerful reminder of the dynamic nature of our universe. The broader implications. Betelgeuse's eventual explosion will transform its surroundings, dispersing heavy elements that could seed the formation of new stars and planets. This cycle of stellar death and rebirth underscores the interconnectedness of cosmic phenomena. For Earthlings, witnessing such an event would be a rare and awe-inspiring moment, offering a glimpse into the processes that shaped our universe. Though Betelgeuse's fate is sealed, its story reminds us of the transient nature of stars, and of life itself. Whether we observe its supernova or not, its legacy as one of the most studied and celebrated stars endures, shining brightly in the Orion constellation
Throughout the day,
and in our collective imagination. The sight of Betelgeuse's potential explosion could be one to remember. While the star is extraordinary, its eventual demise is inevitable. If Betelgeuse, also known as scarab juice, were to explode as a supernova, the event would be accompanied by an intense display of light and energy. The luminous remnants of such a cosmic event would scatter gas throughout space, reaching temperatures of several million degrees. The aftermath at the explosion's core might form either a neutron star, a dense object composed of neutrons, or a black hole with gravitational forces so extreme that nothing could escape its pull. Betelgeuse and its imminent supernova. Betelgeuse, also referred to as Alpha Orionis, is a red supergiant located in the Orion constellation. If it were placed at the center of our solar system, its outer layers would stretch beyond Jupiter's orbit, making it one of the largest stars visible to the naked eye. Despite its massive size, Betelgeuse is unstable and nearing the end of its life cycle. This makes it a candidate to explode as a supernova at any moment. A star of interest. Betelgeuse has long fascinated astronomers due to its size and variability in brightness. Recently, the star exhibited unusual behavior. In late 2019 and early 2020, it experienced a significant dimming event, dubbed the Great Dimming, when its brightness dropped to levels unseen in over a century. Though Betelgeuse has since returned to its normal luminosity, the event sparked speculation about an imminent supernova. What happens when Betelgeuse explodes? If Betelgeuse were to explode within our lifetime, it would be an awe-inspiring spectacle. The explosion could become as bright as the moon in our night sky, even visible during daylight hours, and the light show might last for weeks or months. Despite its dramatic nature, the supernova would pose no direct threat to Earth. At a distance of approximately 700 light-years, Betelgeuse is far enough away to prevent harmful effects on our planet. Instead, such an event would offer scientists a rare opportunity to study a supernova up close, deepening our understanding of stellar evolution and the life cycles of stars. The science behind Betelgeuse's explosion. Betelgeuse's variability is typical of red supergiants, but the recent dimming event was likely caused by a combination of surface activity and the ejection of a massive dust cloud that temporarily obscured its light. As the star exhausts its hydrogen and helium, it will begin fusing heavier elements until the core can no longer withstand gravitational forces. This collapse will result in a cataclysmic explosion, releasing immense energy. Supernovae are some of the most energetic phenomena in the universe, capable of briefly outshining entire galaxies. The remnants of Betelgeuse's explosion will likely include heavy elements dispersed into space, contributing to the formation of new stars and planets. Timeline of Betelgeuse's demise. Astronomers estimate that Betelgeuse could explode within the next few thousand years, though it might also take as long as 10,000 years. While this is a short timescale in cosmic terms, it remains uncertain whether humans will witness the event. Meanwhile, scientists continue to monitor the star using advanced telescopes and instruments, searching for early signs of an impending supernova. The legacy of Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse holds a special place in the field of astronomy as a red supergiant nearing the end of its life. Its eventual explosion will not only be a breathtaking event for skywatchers but also a valuable scientific opportunity. By studying Betelgeuse, researchers hope to gain insights into the processes that shape our universe. In conclusion, Betelgeuse is a fascinating and enigmatic star poised to end its life in one of the most powerful events in the universe. A supernova. While its explosion would be spectacular and visible from Earth, it poses no direct danger to our planet. Instead, it offers an extraordinary opportunity for scientific discovery and a deeper understanding of the cosmos. Until that day comes, Betelgeuse remains a captivating subject of study, a beacon of wonder in the night sky, and a reminder of the mysteries of the universe. Many times larger than our Sun, can collapse under their immense weight and die when their fuel, hydrogen and helium, runs out. When this happens, they begin fusing heavier elements in their cores, leading to their eventual collapse under extreme temperatures and densities. In their final stages, these stars can expel their outer layers into space. A prime example is Betelgeuse, a red supergiant that astronomers predict may one day explode in a supernova. Some speculate that when Betelgeuse ultimately detonates, it could shine so brightly that it would resemble a second moon in the night sky. Betelgeuse, a variable star, experienced a dramatic dimming in 2021, during which its brightness dropped by nearly 60% over a few months. The The cause of this dimming was later attributed to a massive cloud of gas and dust released from the star itself. Observations revealed that Betelgeuse often sheds material, forming clouds of gas and dust that can obscure its light. Interestingly, Betelgeuse has since returned to its typical brightness, though astronomers are uncertain about the exact cause of its fluctuation. Some theorize that the same dust cloud responsible for dimming the star may also reflect light back toward us, temporarily enhancing its brightness. Despite this variability, a supernova is unlikely to occur in the immediate future. While massive stars like Betelgeuse are destined to end in spectacular explosions, fluctuations in brightness are generally linked to surface phenomena rather than an imminent explosion. Current estimates suggest that Betelgeuse could explode in as little as 1,000 years or as far off as 15 million years. For astronomers, even 10 million years is considered a short time frame in cosmic terms, though it's an unimaginably long wait by human standards. Adding to Betelgeuse's intrigue is the uncertainty surrounding its mass and distance from Earth. Some studies propose that Betelgeuse may have merged with a smaller companion star in the past, which could explain its unusually fast rotation. Massive stars typically do not rotate as rapidly as Betelgeuse does. Ancient records also describe Betelgeuse as appearing yellowish, suggesting it may have evolved quickly, raising the possibility of a supernova occurring sooner rather than later. If Betelgeuse were to go supernova, its brilliance would outshine any other object in the night sky, potentially making it brighter than the full moon. Located in the constellation Orion, known for its iconic belt of three closely aligned stars, Betelgeuse's explosion would dramatically alter its appearance. The star would become the brightest object in the constellation and perhaps the most luminous star visible from Earth. Though Betelgeuse's eventual fate is shrouded in mystery, its behavior continues to captivate astronomers. Whether its supernova occurs in 1,000 years or millions, it will mark a profound moment in the story of our universe.